Hey, what's up guys, Zaman here. In this video I am going to talk about Talent Token X TTX. It's a platform where you can own the NFT to participate in live streaming and other exclusive events by the celebrities. It's a really good project. It will allow the users to stack up the NFTs. As you know, NFTs are non-fungible token, which we hear a lot about these days, refers to the only digital assets that cannot be replaced by anything due to using blockchain. Not long ago, when it was called virtual currency, you may have thought it was still a distant thing. Nowadays, trading card type NFTs such as NBA Top Shot, Baby Metal, etc. are getting popular, and their mission is to define NFT as a valuable way to cheer idols or celebrities. With this in mind, they are creating many kinds of NFTs. You can use NFT without being aware of any difficult technology because it is on the blockchain. The NFTs you have collected cannot be tampered with or duplicated. Therefore, it can be said that having an NFT is complete ownership of the data. There are all famous celebrities, as we can see they are supporting the project. I think this is a new form of cheering up for your favorites with NFTs. Here are the applications of App Store and Google Play Store. As you know, App Store only supports the trusted projects. Anyway, here are the tutorials. And here is corporate basic information if you want to contact them. Now let's talk about TTX Games. This project will be a metaverse that combines online games and online entertainment. A new type of online game entertainment with the idea of play to earn. They will also provide an ecosystem that incentives the players. So these are TTX NFT games. And an NFT is like an ID and a digital asset that represents real-world photos, videos, animes, and arts. Non-fungible, meaning that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. Using the NFT, TTX Games will issue an NFT that can be used in the game. TTX NFT plans to develop and provide a metaverse using blockchain, AR and VR technology. In addition to playing games, they also aim to create a multi-metaverse where players can communicate with each other in the space, as well as providing various content such as live performances and events by artists. TTX Games plans to offer a GameFi marketplace with a unique system that will allow us to pre-sale NFTs that can be used in the games. And they plan to offer many rewards or benefits to TTX holders in the future, such as an opportunity to purchase an exclusive NFT in advance and airdrops for TTX holders. And here are the team members of TTX Games. This person is living legend in the team. For those of you who never heard about Hajime, well, you will be surprised how he was involved with the mega hit games. So all the links are available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.